मेरी एक विश है कि मेरी इश्यूज़ ऑफ ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं अपने फादर और अपनी मदर के लिए अपने आप से कुछ कर सकूँ। फादर तो रहे नहीं, लेकिन मेरी विश है कि शायद अगर मैं अपनी मदर को किसी भी चीज़ के लिए अपने आप से खुश कर सकूँ तो शायद मेरे लिए कुछ बेहतर हो जाए।
गुड गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश।
क्या बनना चाहते हैं?
मैं जॉब करूँगा।
आप बिजनेसमैन बनोगे?
बीकॉम करूँगा, बीकॉम।
बीकॉम तो बड़े बिजनेसमैन बन जाओगे है ना? तो आपको स्कूल कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा,
कितना अच्छा? बहुत अच्छा या बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा? बहुत अच्छा है। अपने बड़े होकर क्या बनना है? टीचर बनना है? अच्छा।
There are 4 kinds of disabilities: hearing impairment, visual impairment, physical disability, and mental disability. The mentally disabled children are discriminated. They are considered as a curse upon them, especially in our country. And if we go way back 20 to 30 years back, at that time people never accepted these children as a normal human being. They said these children are curse of God to the family, and the family used to abandon them and kept them in locked rooms. They used to chain them, and they never wanted them to come to any institution like Darul Musarat or any other institution. It was always thought that why to waste money on them. Majority of the cases are due to inter-family marriages. 95% of our students are from Muslim families, and many of the cases are due to this reason. We have 48 children with all different kinds of mental disabilities. They are mentally retarded. Some of them are with ADHD, they are hyperactive. Some of the children are with autistic features. Some are Down syndromes. We have children with cerebral palsy. So we have different categories of mental disabilities with us. Darul Musarat was established in 1990. The founder of Darul Musarat, Mrs. Khusnood Azraya, she started this in 1990. Since then, we have completed 25 years of our services to the families and children with mental retardation. We provide training to our children in the basic living skills of eating, dressing, toilet training, and walking, and with that concentration. Because concentration is the most important of all. Unless a child concentrates, that child cannot learn. They enjoy their artwork, coloring, painting. They enjoy doing handwork. They make different decorative items from it. They make wall decoration, wall hanging. They make jewelry out of dough. They make different table placemats. They make scarf and photo frames and things like that. They enjoy doing that work. Children enjoy their music class. It is a fun time for them. They love singing with action. They love dancing in music class, and especially the nursery rhymes. There are special nursery rhymes for our children that they enjoy singing together with the teachers. Then we have integration programs. We are lucky enough to have 2 high schools just next to our school, and the students of those high schools are very interactive with our children. We participate in their program and they come and participate in our program, and we have an integrated program. I mean, this is important time for them, learning for our children and learning for the normal children. What is their responsibility when they grow up, considering and accepting these children as part of their society, as part of their family, as part of their life. At our reception, when you enter, you will see Umar sitting there. Umar is with us since 15 years, and now we are proud of Umar. Umar knows how to weave. He is excellent in weaving. He is very good in helping teachers in the classroom, maintaining discipline, helping out other students. And when placed at reception, he is good in communication, in public dealing. He knows how to attend a phone call, how to respond. He knows different people. He knows how to greet people. I think that is our great achievement.
खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता देखो खुल गया मिल गया खो गया था जो सितारा मिल गया रोशन हुई सारी जमीन जगमग हुआ सारा जहां उड़ने को तू आजाद है बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ धूप है शम्से दिखा तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहाँ कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू